come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with Maya. Me pass me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be mine.
Please come. Please, how are you?
Fine.
You're fine. Brother Adams, sorry for disturbing you, for stopping you, but I wanted to tell you that I know you are very close to my J. For that reason, you know how to talk to him. But Adams, I don't know why my J is stressing this issue. I love his sister, Britta. Many girl know say your quality and mingle style be my me be who compliment as Brother Adams. And I know for sure that in Yami in a force hardiness so Anka it won't happen that way. But yet my J say no. Company. Brother Adams.
Aroma. Obey Nyame na afọ so sa na Nyankopon de wato asem.
Oh.
Nti bebu o ha wo kwa Nyankopon de wo ko my J nuaba ho. Unka nche Nyankopon say my J no against and untimi nko.
Oh, it's and so de me here no be. Oh, brother Adams. What show say girl na enye? Look at me na girl no we match.
Na Aroma okọ bi nuaba ho na say o say on pewo wo ho anaso onyawa. Jane Aroma. Oh, Jane. School my work no. Once me num ka santo num da. Me no hunsi ada. But this one I'm supporting Jai girl no. Now hunto. Oh. Me nsem akoso no mate by me na won say me no ni bia o school mu a nti na me ntimi flow. Oh, my Jai girl no ko ni baby.
Brother Adams, you don't understand. Makuma akodi girl no ho. I am in love with the girl. And I don't care. Say now take so or you day. I love this girl. And I'm willing to die with her.
Then just be ready to face the consequences. Then I don't know how to change me.
There are some consequences of facing face. If a baby to say will be any perform to say on Kawai, I can say, oh, penny relationship, then come in all day. You understand? But we are talking about her brother.
Dear girl, my man, statements now making the perform to someone.
Oh, no, don't take it that way. I mean, if it was any ordinary person, and or prevented love, no say be happy now. I would have dealt with the person personally. But we are talking about her sister, bro. Her brother, sorry. Me to me, any abusion for until I say I have to do it in a polite way. Let's resolve it. Peace.
Aroma, girl no, girl no, ono kra no. Say, oh yeah, who could did in it? Who never could do. Omomu fie nye. My J oni bi. Girl no so a bo omobusua fo so a hwe ni wonto hu na besa akwa akodim mutususu girl so sa dem enu kwa de nyi ho me enu ne de enyi me ho because I have money to handle that me tususu I know how to save just for break because of that I don't eat let me do it 3 times a day but because of it I have to save sometimes you can look at your girlfriend and you'll be like don't I have to hustle. Again, it's so pretty to be poor. Better ain't it? Come and do me the whole day. Now so I can save money to take care of her, bro. I will do it. Brother, please. Unim say, Ujimi pa. Oh, Ujimi pa. Why no be a man in country? Intino. Girl, Intino did it 3 times a day. Now what's so? I did it once a day. I want to take care of the girl. Oh, my free girl.
I love her.
The girl doesn't love you.
Who said that? That's what you think. Oh, okay. So all this, that's what you think.
Do you know something? I didn't want to tell you this, but I have to tell you. I'm a girl. I'm feel more bad luck. Bad luck. Oh. That's be. I don't want to bug you. I don't want to come out. You be me. What my J? My J life. My girl no.
I want to know my pastor. You see?
Like Jimmy.
No, you see, God doesn't do it. You see, I say, oh, Yami, you know, be to say, Anka. What Bible say? You know, you make me mommy. See that you make me break it, sir. A panama a dog with you. Don't you understand, brother?
Aroma.
Wallahi. Me do not know sound on second me boss man who say me nyansa. Stupid guy like you will be a bano kind of no small was the weekend nyansa. I say inside me no work and also say here me enti na me no work bro what do you here guy enti na nkasa say mesre no onya no is all about why ni nwana na
see how dey asem otumi no wa threaten me no opese me eden get one no kwaka say get buka ka cheme say onu say oba bia because me ko pege no woni dey am si bre omo woni say enkwase afabu ni ma life mu a ejini ko na mo di ni begini. You know, get the counsel.
I say useless people be able to say, and come over say na brabo. And me say me imagine
no, useless people need to.
Oh, I'm not the bomb. I also like nyansa because I didn't also know about when I say on tiwa know about me. So brother Mr. I'm just begging you. Okay, any my gene kasaman. So what I say, please, I'm begging you. Why?
The minimum idea you don't do it. Good. Alright, minimum idea don't do it. Right. Okay. The minimum idea don't do it. We are as an adventure and right. Oh, right. So be too for be brave. Aroma. Who's your answer? Huh? Maybe we are missing your answer.
Yeah. Just can't be the talk it was.
Aroma,
stupid guy like you, me no cast and pass no cast man now don't say bomb team na me nyama green. Are you mad?
Now what they now say me this ah? Huh? I didn't who say me this ah? Catch me then my own. Then my own bia be share me bia na Aroma se me power choma na Aroma se me power choma. Yo what dey? Stay me.
Obia dia na me dia chen na ya di chen kwa. Ah? You're the channel qua. Yo, by Jimino. Some come on to be old, by Jimino. Just a man control. I mean, my mom for my epipad Pamachona, Jano, Nina Banning, Tina, then the young. Mr. Boy, and remember, name Tina. You can't stay with a boy. Just a man control. I'm serious. And you say, yeah, my serious. Boy, no so and yes sir obeko fie and aso obeko school for chusunu baako chasuna me ka cho no
mate na bra mi njai na chidi na
usile
njai na chidi na yimfwe
why
yes pant
scanty na mi se only no ba say come only scanty create na ma mia aka me ku abachi ya kara boti ko jijodi we meboa
bana se won so kan wo bi
jimi wa ya won na jisi yanka meboa
na se won so
twa wanka nche jimi
Aroma my last stop
Aroma my last stop me catch no boy nti ne ntra boy we ya be me bia so ne ntra so ni obi betina kwa bonti ko hwe be ma fofo me se anyi sa obi ko fie ana so obi ko akọ page me bia sua so na me catch no ama ben diagro sama o di mi diagro ahun kuno ni dada na me o le mo bi kwansia me na de on ba Aroma di se Aroma say yo o de on pa Aroma di kwa wo yinim sentences nim kado what what's your son kwa also na udi wa na is my machine na matitini ya mama ofu tu jimi mi wa e fi ak matam bia bontini mi kwa mama je tu esa na ko jimi ya me pa uti so kai ko jimi chire me pa uti wa bontin osia o de jimi na o de mama so so na boy ni na mo jeje o bi de be o
yeah me pen kwa na me nyo the party they come my way oh yeah me am embroso we meya me pesa me come any months meya oh Lord I pray that I will fulfill my wish oh yeah pray that today you go be my day yeah me pen kwa na me nyo
say let's say me no
yo school bell na see me family na was no
Allen, says I'm commanding.
You say the day near can't say me now see me and a bear come find go school for food.
I said with him, say so.
Oh, in trim. We better come find me then a call.
Allen, so how old the school more will be okay, or the no call them.
I don't know about trim school might be okay.
I'm a have a born home or day in the Nika come and be okay. Because many had to cry like.
Okay. When you are your father, it's all school bell and answer me for the quarrel. I make once a mouse say, ah, Mammy, who school bell and our school bell about mommy after them person didn't call.
And I'm a sedent in a fin episode no call.
And you to be some question. Mrs. School bell our share, you beat me the call this time around because, yeah, senior maybe who maybe too.
And I know what hey, because you're born home or day.
One time school now. Now we now be so down for me now. I shall be boat Timothy. Same school I'm for calls. Who be how long was here? Don't provoke me.
Am I could school among nearby class? School be all bit me chin up school be and I mean
school now kind. School now kind. Now the way to show catch and say you your school man how could you be here? And you wait here.
No pressure and I'm the cancer.
Oh pressure.
Scam did you me show this.
As a pressure. Wait here. Okay. School bell I don't see in front of corner. Hey Adams, don't provoke me. Don't push my back to the wall. Don't provoke me, Adams. Tell me the truth. School bell I'm from the call.
No, I can no how threaten me. I mean, what copy of school for the quay? No, me see hey man.
Or the school venue for
Mike, man, whatever. I'm our hand, be okay.
Or the above from grammar, stone, I Jimmy. What the fans are me, what the fans are me. What the fans are grammar, some coming. You sometimes want to provoke me to the wall, right? That's what you want to do, right? You see the red side and the bad side. In castle. Party. In castle because once here and that one. Many massive bima.
Am I going to yourself?
Yes, I'm saying. Tell me the school I have to take my sister to. You are trying to tell me that you don't know the school. That's what you want to tell me. We are all here. We are all in this school. Some will go, some will come, some will stay. Me, I've stayed for this school like 5 years. You want to show me, Pepe? Mr. School bell and phone, you say you don't know. We are all here. Why?
No, where are some? Oh, into school na phone your economy nim school cry. Wa okope school e. Afi dey passion show no ope school no de unanako school na make do unanako. Ye ina yetim a. Dey for ni as no bi na family as. Enso ye ina yetim. Obetina he ya.
Yeah, me pen kwara me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
How are you feeling today?
I'm okay.
Have you been taking your medication?
Oh yeah, I've been using that eardrop.
So I think it's much better than before.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's fine. And listen, you've been reducing weight of late. Why? You've not been eating?
I'm not feeling well. I can't eat well too. I don't sleep too.
Why don't you sleep?
Because of my ear.
Oh, sorry.
It really hurts at dawn.
Sorry. So, then why don't you take Eziat and go home to rest for like maybe a week or two?
I'll go and take it. Because of the examination, I don't want to go home.
And so because of this examination too, you are joking with your health.
I want us to finish the exams before I go.
Honestly, my health is more important than this exams.
I know. But I'm on medication, so it's okay.
I'm not okay.
Good afternoon. Stabby, what you need say? What you be able to? Stabby, Patron was seeing the man watching. Well, the real won't see a fan on. Okay, so who's seeing dear? No, ya by you may be ye. Sister, I shall bear my papa will be shano or brabo. Star, Miss Shaw, seeing the man watching. So you send me the me per him. To Miss Shaw, and watch on see you. We in patrol and Calbit may excuse him and I come in the senior my dean Comocacra. Watching your Miss Shaw, right? Yankopon ma onye kese o abrabo wi mu ati. Ye opebia Yankopon fa ma wati. Stabby, you cry me no one come on. Oh, yeah, me no one come upon me frona. A din common, or a fro. And what's on so much? Why? Nanka we know. Nka hospital adrodin kem wo. Wo man bi o no ma o ye bibi dru. Nka me ne be kasa nanka me do call week ye. Why? O na adrodie o ye ya na ise. Wasuna mu ate. Ndi o kasa ya na mu da ho. Start into them sure nka o excuse ye kitu bi ananka me ne senior ma Adams edin komo kakra.
Sure. Just go to the hotel. I'll come there, okay?
Okay. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, take care, okay?
Okay.
Senior one. But you be able to call you. Oh, Bachari. But you didn't come to see me no dim come kakra. Adams.
I might change. I can't my name up.
Senior man Pachari.
What's that small catcher?
Oh, and
So you don't know who's there. Obenya Bema Papa. Who is can one?
Oh, senior man, we there. Me can be near how we there, Mr. Any deal from Bonnie Chemi. Alright. It been CBU. But senior man, what have me pound? What have me papa? Senior man, the hair. What the fire contention and shady view for any two from the shady. What did she say? Aroma, do you dimini abanetino? O shy ye. Would ye dear me know I be a lie be a mino I uncle ye be the final attention. Now the air son of crano, and being crane shake for any son of crane.
Okay, Mike, the Aroma, only Aroma. Me see, me cry me tia na ya na ehame.
Hey, senior man.
Ye ni bia sa room.
Senior man.
Ta na ehame.
Senior man, say how the enemy slow. Sheni solve issue what?
Ye ni.
Sheni solve issue what senior man.
Nka beti ma solve say won ya ma.
See mami kan se me ncho Me de me pese won ya mami ni. De mi nua ba no ni. Ene ne sambra back mama what? Mr. Wa. What is your name?
No, dear. No, crass, a male crank, a major.
Oh, Siama, and you would this young dear could bring the own way. See, I can't free hospital. Share. I didn't know I come home, so one woman now. Answer it's now from young yummy view. Maybe I'm much at a pan. I'm see peer pressure across our babaso. Mr. Watty,
Brokna can't say
peer pressure
about peer pressure. Never real.
Nede.
Now, only my look. Oh,
I'm going to say Abamsu. Send our preparedness. I'm see peer pressure headache. Abamsu. It's Adams, Mr. Rose. One mommy at home. One. Now the insane woman think Kekura, Mr. Watty.
Miss McQuarrie, come a sham on my.
Senior
Hey, Mike, because the young money I will marry and Hammy and I'm Hammy. No, but then be I say,
Aroma. For Christ's sake,
enjoy when I your mom and to us. Oh, so much I see.
Yeah, be Mr.
Hey, yes, I'm going to see me about pan Aroma way.
As a would see no abasi. But as I would my committee, I will know about me. Can you cry at you? I didn't make an hammy. To see I'm a person. You don't be a food and you alone, Penocrana. With a Chenny Brown chain, Keke, and I will meet him and say,
like, like, me, trying to venture me. Unyan checking it in a bed.
I know American. I know sister won't check him out. What did you be all the bone check? No, I said, I may come. Oh, set pound penny the end when the boys. So what I sent to me, so they be found, mammy. Why?
I know about £1.
Senior man, cemetery. Mimi dear, we say, me, I will be Uncle Cambe, come here, me, I can say the mint sow.
Mike. Intimi ko pretend na me ntwetwe ya ba na ba no. Inyayeka ane.
Me say last week me send in 4 million. And this week was send you muska.
Why?
This week was send you muska.
We say in muska sense.
Oh, they be. I don't say this week was send you muska.
Na wa mo muska, me ma mo muska.
Oh, senior, I am busy this week was send you muska. Me jini na sisi ya.
Why go jini na say nkoma you the same place.
Cause you fiscal. Fiscal no.
Man.
Sure.
Now, me bro man went to me about.
I'm to first scan man na also. Why? So that's only a precious din komo me bro. Oni din komo. When the back on us din komo big girl, no din komo. So no so ni din komo. Okay. We just can we any be jai kasa. We say what's your makava about you say the junior to me wa. Yes, small little thing you want.
No, go in small thing like
I small thing oh. I'm not saying you really do command bibi abese.
It really man ko dream on say engineer cran entertain cran what I say
engineer cran ni
entertain cran
o si I say ni bebu ni bo a say ba o fan fu ni na say ni bebu ni bo a akoy adu dantiri ba mu je wajini now 2 hours the baba je reply
see ko dream next week 2 hours
you see me my 2 hours me say me bana be longer me ba register no just na me catch you na hwe say guys me fi ni obi ankasa bi Adam
you see me my 2 hours
back me slow
2 hours
back me slow
ba what you want to know see about it.
The reason why I called you here this afternoon, you see what the other day my J came and do at the other place where you were sitting. He's just fooling us.
Maybe he's a changed person.
Who's a changed person? How can my J change? He can never be a changed person. So any changes that you see about him is just fooling us. My J, when since day one. So, Dano, if you want, do you know what he did to me?
What did he do?
He nearly broke my neck.
Hey! My J.
Hey.
He even said he's going to bring me eardrop.
Hey, don't try. Eardrop.
For my ear.
No. Why? Is he a pharmacist?
But he's just being good on
He's just being what? Do you know what he did to me the other day over there when we left? He nearly broke my neck.
But people change.
People change like her, not people like my J. My J can never be a changed person. Don't take anything from him.
Mommy, I made up my mind I'll take it from him. Because I'm going through pains.
Why are you being stubborn? Don't you go to the hospital for checkups?
But it's not working.
The doctor's medication is not working, but my J's medication will probably work.
It's a herbal product. That's what he said.
Since when did you start believing in these herbal products and things?
My J is a changed person. Stop polluting my mind.
He's a changed person all because of what he came to do there.
Look at the way he was talking in a calm way. He has never done that before.
Honestly, are you serious? You are just trying to be stubborn.
Don't tell me like that.
I shouldn't say
I'm not being stubborn.
I don't know mad him until I say wait, Tracer. Come here, bro. You know, said this guy is a notorious stubborn guy. Since from one, but about from fooling just 5 minutes or some few seconds.
People change. It's okay. Right here.
It's okay. He has said, I'm forcing you to
I said I'm not going to take it. It's okay.
That guy is a wicked guy.
Stop shouting at me.
I know what's going on between the two of us, me and him. So that's why I'm advising you. He's a wicked guy.
Okay, it's down.
That's no.
So what next? Why have you frowned? I don't see me that baby Ariana.
And that's not because I miss you, you know. of late we've not been getting time to meet at the canteen there, so how will I be okay?
Hey, Adams, you miss me.
Yeah, when was the last time we met over there?
Are you sure?
I miss you. It's like you've been doing some things.
Yeah, me punk when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Brussels with me, yeah. Me person me come any months with your mayor. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me.
Hello, hi.
Sister, what's wrong with you?
Why are you not there?
Okay, me sorry, say me disturb you, kakra. I will fortune we hear the mood yeah. Oh, Sister B, I said the last time I buy, I want to know what's on. Yeah, it's the me feel. My chin was oh, I am a man of rap. Sister B, a song in the year. And I'm a 2-1 and make sure Sister B, a song in the year.
So for me, Sister Abby, what's the sounds why I can't to make us say?
Oh, yeah, Sister B, may say I'm a tea. The lifestyle.
So what changed?
Oh, nothing changed. It's just that I want to be a changed person.
Then that's good. It's going to help you.
Oh yeah, that's why I'm cool now.
Okay.
Yeah. So Sister B, this time around, I tried to bring you.
Are you okay? I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. Okay. I was taking my bag.
Sister B, don't worry, I'm okay.
My dear of all people.
Oh,
we thank God.
Sister B, we praise God. We praise God. Sister B, so Sister B, we there. A Jew, they call man boy.
Is it there?
Man boy.
Where is man boy?
You don't know man boy?
No.
Oh, it's from far. Yeah. So I went to man boy to collect a medicine for you. We had to
you are not caring for me, my G.
Okay, Sister B. No, she said, they are my powers and she said, be to one. I said, such into a bamboo and I'm cozy.
No, it's okay. No, thank you. Oh, Menes can't be called baby. And right now, I'm on drugs in tea. You're calling no man. I'm saying to me, Newsy, I'm going to say, a baby drone, a brofredo. You get me right?
A brofredo, no crowd, you're touching it. I know it's me using anytime, Bianca. We any day. I call you a baby drunk and see a baby
free.
I let me say, a bit my dog here,
oh, nah, Darby. The person means you're not going to check up. Timekwa, and I'm a message for for fraud. So I say, indeed. We need a okay. Me that's a pastor wa join me ho. Why?
And now so next Scanty be going.
You go check up. Into your time, me ne be ko. O say o some way be specialist be into be ko ne ho na wa sha ma me.
You think I won't you know?
Oh,
we should do.
O say the pastor na manje.
Scanty.
O ka chance o be be meduro na.
Scanty is a manje. Scanty wa boa.
Ai na kasa.
Anka we can see what song.
My dear, Bonnie Ben and Media. Eh? What have I done to you?
And you want some crack and come say singing. Come imagine not say. Sister B.
And friend sister.
Sister B. Come in walk the dumbbell 1 month ahead you. Ah! So my imagine say I can search them out.
What have I done?
You ask what have I done? Yeah, I can search them out.
I'm in the barber school. What about madam? Some my day.
Okay, oh yeah, that wicked. What's some bell water? Huh? Do I'm saying I don't hold a bit yourself. Hey,
say when yet, but I'm so bit mark this far.
From far.
My dear, you are a wizard.
Who said you matter? Hey, let me a quarter.
Shall I sound you numpo?
Maybe a quarter.
I want to have a day.
We are but the man can be person with this zone. You are like a person with zone. It's a junction.
I'm in Texas.
Sana strona na guess too bit o. So how much was saying among kasa. Me na my home sa. Na mo akọ no akọ wa etre.
My J.
Mo dem won pa mu ya Adam so aboa o. This time come see what so si wa adwene.
Me be na my yo.
You are asking Bonnie or the enemy.
What have I done? My way.
Yeah, kasa che na mo nti.
Hey, my dear, monsieur.
We are Adams.
Hey,
me. I can't do kuma so akebeko.
What's the mean to make us?
I'm gonna meet DJ.
She. What's that? Okay. I'm saying I could my daughter from. It's a sign. It's a sign.
I never na catch you and cabo say. Can you see what so?
Me nji ankasa.
It's a friend you come.
It's a car baby. Waiting now buy my G.
Sir.
Waiting now buy.
It's now because of the devil is a liar. I'm really going to put you on purple. When I come here, devil, and I come out and say what you. You're being fool. Me, the Soyawa. Oh, Yawa. Me Soyawa. Can you poor through your son and start with but I'm sure I can't even talk. Sister, don't even talk. Don't even think about it. Because me right now, no, baby, I don't know. You are the person who done I'm there, my G. You are asking. You never know what you have done to me. Yeah, it's okay now. Okay, you can go. Anyway. Now credit coming out here. I can't share. It's only the game the for Jim Sikadi 2 months. 2 months, 2 good months. In the meantime, you know for 2 months. Hey! No. I mean, a secret to be true. Very secret. Why am I even standing here listening? Oh, you have to listen. A secret, I make a true. I'm still in capacity. So precious. Only be in that thing. So precious, you call here. Oh, precious, man. Give my head, sir. Okay. Me. My dear. Me dear, throw flap on, man. No. It's in the land, anyone I can. So this come up on me. I'm going now. Now I'm school nurse no. So Baba. Anything I'm eating food. Hey. Mintia. What's up idea there? Me the idea could to the small medicine and the Fred room and eating food. Oh, a fine man. My G. Now when I offer me tea, they say, or tina muma ha. But say me hanging her call. But sister, me to two no you didn't know. Me no matter two no you didn't tell me. So no worry. I find a drug it to be small medicine on the air. I just stand when you're day. Thousand and say I know Budria. So dear. By me doing me, obey you know, they say to two. Hey, when we don't know the year, where all day. Oh, my God, I'm a silly little baby. Every man demand is silly little. My G. What a penny upon or the woman. I'm one. I don't want penny upon it now. I know to know one upon another do. More than a bro, baby. You see me sure. Sister, so me. Me, now you're wicked. Dangerous me. Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months with your Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will. Swan your fast and Piama. Swan your fast and Piama, brother. Ama. Babylon for Babylon. I didn't know what I say. Oh, one more than another. And you what? And you want to wear it? See, some quality. Mother, maybe you don't know how to show it all. But then you feel you're going to and you to find something. What do you mean? Let me say, just look my eyes. Just pretend and look me. You see it? Yeah. Hey, Go. We power can cry. Corner from Pastor. Let's see how call. Hey, something now. Me come take Queenie. Why are you doing? Hey! Me say me come take Queenie. Why are you doing? Me do you see someone can me do obi afọ their poor one. Hey! I just say junior from the mouth here junior wa. Me see one man coming on. One man coming on. Hey! Hello, my phone. Hey, what's the next now? It depends on the brain. Fafull money. Hey,
Okay.
I don't wait coming. Fafull money.
Oh, come on.
Fafull money.
Did he touch you?
Yes.
Did he touch you?
Yes.
My chicken is a cow. Hey, you know what? Some my Jane do boss kumwa, right? That's why he's doing this. Better I will go and talk to him politely. I've been there before when Fini, but I will go there again. Now my country and say even school fees no impossible to you. I will handle it. But I'm asking you, better. Say me need your school fees. Now say say I will take care of all the expenses. I will be school.
Papa.
That's what I want to hear. That's all I want to hear. The fact that you running chase a bit me out on the sabo at any time. No, it doesn't work that way. And he even says he can drive you away from the school without the school's permission. He can do that. Better, you know I like you. I really love you. It's not only here, baby. I have to. When I am, I do my need to. Better, you see what he did? This is very wrong. Say, I say, me no compliment in time and yes, and I say, defend my coin. It is totally wrong. You don't like it. Good. You tell her in a polite way. Say, "Stone was one opinion. The best you can do is about your home for you." And fun man showing someone from some county and say, "There, or your meaning your intimate boom." No. Look at. Into what prana? What pra? He slapped you, right? Hey, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. Say we are at all. You understand? But I will go and talk to him in a polite way again. Say still now, cause one penny better. Then I will handle all the expenses. Your school fees, or no big deal, everything. Just tell me. I will get it done. No what's about school. What you say? Say, family, any problem? Be a big problem.
No.
It won't be a problem.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So, okay, let me help you.
So, writing the point.
Okay, just follow me. No problem, okay? Follow me. No problem. Let me help you. You don't even have to.
Mommy, the kinds are my home.
Oh, go ahead.
So, the kinds of who's a son.
Brita, I am come for your. You don't know me. I'm come for your brother because of you. I wouldn't know. Wouldn't you know I come for him because of you? Let me take you to the clinic. What am I on Sunday?